Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to go over Lance Ippolito's perfect Tesla trade for the week. He does one a week every Thursday. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go and check out this full review. Before I get started with that, I want to bring to your attention one of my other favorite services, which is Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader, which is this one right here. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and check out my full review, mostly full track record as best as I can do from videos and from the documentation that I've got from Monument Traders Alliance, the company behind Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader. There's about 3 trades a week on this. If you go to my review article and click here, it should open up the order page. And the reason that this is one of my favorite is the value. So it's only $179 for a whole year, and there's a full 365-day risk-free money-back guarantee. So it's really kind of more of a low-end service that delivers really high quality. So really good win rate. It's a great service, definitely worth checking out, especially if you're looking more for a budget service, because Lance Ippolito's Perfect Tesla Trader is a really great service, but it's definitely much more expensive than this. So this one is basically every Monday at noon Eastern time. He does a live stream. You don't have to go to it, but it's very helpful, especially if you're newer to trading options. And he goes through everything that he's doing and finding the alerts and then sends them out to everybody. Very transparent, very good service, love it. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a lower cost service with very little risk. I'll leave all these links in the description below so you guys can go and check that out. But let's get started on this week's perfect Tesla trade. So, like I said, every Thursday, Lance Ippolito lets out basically an alert on Tesla, and the idea is to hold for a few days to a week. This week's was interesting. It was still a winner, so he has a 75% win rate. I'll show you the track record if you haven't seen it already in a few minutes. But here's the alerts. This is the dashboard. It's got a nice feel to it, a red and black theme. Here is the alert on November 14th, which was last Thursday, so this is the most recent trade alert. And it's for the December 6th expiration on the 320 strike calls. The cycle is bullish. That's the indicator he uses to find these things. It was in the green, so it means it's bullish. So the picture here. And he was saying, with Tesla pulling back off the highs, we've gotten 3 red days in a row, but we're still on a bullish trend. Ideally, the perfect entry would be 307 for a long, and if we sell off in the next couple of days with the overall market, we'll look to add to our position. Option prices are very expensive right now due to high implied volatility, so we want to keep our size small for the week. Tesla has been moving around $15 a day from high to low, which is about 5%, making option prices way more expensive than normal. That's why we're looking for a shorter dated option, which would be the December 6th expiration, 320 strike calls. We've had a big opportunities recently for big ROI trades, but this week might be a little different, is what he basically said. So, unfortunately for me, I decided to hold off a little bit. Each contract was $1,400, so you do have to have significant amount of money if you're scaling into these. I had the balance to do it, but I decided what I'd do is maybe hold off on this one just for a little bit and try and get a slightly lower price. Unfortunately, that backfired on me. So if you look at the chart for Tesla, this was where he got in on the Thursday, and I almost got in at the end of the day for a bit better price. Then you can see it actually dipped pre-market to the 307, actually a little bit lower after hours. But of course you can't buy the options then, so I was thinking maybe on Friday we'd open up down here somewhere around his target of 307 for that perfect entry. Unfortunately it didn't, and it rallied up considerably, and he sold on the Thursday for an 18% gain just overnight. This looked amazing, and he updated his track record, and that's fantastic. That's 2 in a row since I started the service. Really nice. However, look what happened today. If he'd held just another day over the weekend, we gapped up all the way up to here, which would have been like 100% winner or something like that, which would have been phenomenal. So that's kind of frustrating, but I understand the contracts were expensive, high volatility, and he wanted to play it safe and just bag that base hit. So that's what he did. Here is the alert for when he exited on the Friday. We go up to here. These are also emailed to you to go and check here so you know when these come out. November 15th, which was the next day, sell to close. This the same calls that he bought, the December 6th 320s. With Tesla up $8 today and the Nasdaq down over 1%, so that's pretty nice. The fact the market's gone down a little bit and Tesla still went up, let's go ahead and take quick profits. Well, not a home run, we're happy to squeeze an 18% winner in the current market. Of course, nobody has a crystal ball, so they don't know that, Monday was going to gap up so big. Here's a trade tracker. So I show this in every video. So he has a profit factor of 2.6 overall over 58 trades, which is phenomenal. It's a really, really good. 76% win rate. It's gone up slightly since this new win. This top line right here is the last trade that we're just talking about here. So you can see he got on at $15.20 out at $18 for an 18% win. So yeah, really good service. One of my favorite out there. Average return is 30%. Average holding period is 4 days. So this was a faster one. If he'd held it for 3 days, he would have done really a lot better. But again, nobody has a crystal ball. Overall, an amazing service, an amazing trade. Hopefully you guys will go and check out my review here where you'll see the other trades that I'm doing. Unfortunately, I missed this one because I got a little bit too greedy in terms of trying to get a really good entry on this. So unfortunately, I missed this one. But I know a few people that got it and really pretty happy with this. And some people also would have held. Some people are holding a bit longer than he does because they're just more bullish on Tesla and are okay holding into the following week. So hopefully you're one of those guys. And if not, you can buy this service. It's there's a webinar he has, which is really good. Just go into here, click right here, and the webinar pops up and you can go and learn all the details, how he does this and everything from the man himself. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.